What's up, guys? I'm sitting in my office right now editing up videos for you. I was really reluctant to show any of these videos because I failed. I did not complete this project. I bailed out on it, but it does run, so don't click off the video. Here's a clip of it starting up. So now that you've seen it, I want to show what I kind of worked through to get the car kind of to the point where it was close to running, but I had a goal. The goal did not align with what I wanted for it, so I actually sold the car to ASM Motorsports. If you remember from previous videos, Andy Smedegard, he does Time Attack and all those crazy sorts of race events. He did the alignment on my RS. He has the car now. He's turning it into an ice race car, which is super cool. He's a genius at what he does, but I know there's some value in what I've done in getting the car close before I brought it to Andy. So here it is. I'll stop rambling on, and I'll be releasing about 5 videos on this in the next couple weeks. So enjoy. Welcome back to Flatline Detonation. I am so pumped for this one. That's right, we're doing an RX8, and we're gonna make it reliable. Don't worry, we're not getting rid of the RS. That's sticking around. It's near and dear to my heart. But we gotta hop in the truck right now. We're going over to my buddy's house. I gotta go pick up my trailer so we can get the first car. That's right, the first car. Jared, this doesn't look like rotary stuff.
I don't know what it is.
It's not rotary stuff.
It's certainly not V8 stuff, so.
Like that.
Like that thing.
Like that thing. That's why you're not finishing this, right?
Too many cams.
Too many cams. Oh, here's rotary things. Oh, but that's not a rotary. Let's see what we got. No engines, Jared.
There's an engine over here.
I know, but that's not a rotary.
No,
I thought I was buying a rotary car.
Way better.
Yeah. It's a K20, right?
K20a2.
Nice.
Fresh timing chain, fresh tensioner.
This is a bolt-in kit, right?
It's a bolt-in kit, yeah.
We're gonna figure that out, yeah. More to come on that. But some things gotta get probably cut, probably moved, cut some more, and moved again. But we're gonna figure that out. Yes, that is correct. We're doing a K20a2 swap on an RX8. Before you say, why not do an LS swap, blah, blah, blah. You know, yeah, that's great. Eventually I'll do an LS project. But the RX8 is a good car. It's got a great chassis. And the trans isn't the greatest, but I want to adapt the K20 to that trans like you saw. Jared did a great job of getting most of this stuff started, but unfortunately he's got his other project car and just doesn't really have enough time to finish this project. So I didn't plan on getting a project anytime soon. I wanted to kind of polish the RS, get that thing all finished, but Jared gave me a great deal on this. I won't say what he gave me for a deal, but I'll say I'll do this build as if you were starting off, because as of now, there's no documentation of someone doing this in the United States. There's a couple guys in Poland that have done this, but there's a couple YouTube videos, but there's hundreds of people asking, how did you do this? What did you use? And just no information out there. We've done a little bit of research and getting an idea. I'll go more in depth on future videos. They're gonna be really detailed, so you guys know how to get this swap to work, what you need, what needs to be cut, fabricated, what you need to outsource. I'm really excited, but be patient. It'll get done. It's just probably not going to get done in a typical YouTube manner fashion. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it. I'd like this swap to become a popular thing. I'm not looking to be famous or anything. I just want to get the word out there and help some people out. So thanks for watching, and tune in next time.